What's going on, guys? And welcome back to my YouTube channel, EDC Gears PH. This is the channel where I will share with you my opinions and thoughts about my current EDC Gears setup. For today's video, I am going to talk about my credit card size multi-tools. So if you like EDC Gears, make sure to watch this video. Let's dive in. Currently, I have 8 credit card size multi-tools. But take note, I don't bring them all. I only bring 3 credit card size multi-tools inside my EDC bag. So the 3 credit card size multi-tools that I always bring are this folding knife multi-tool and another multi-tool that have magnifying glass and a LED light. So the rest, they're just like exactly the same of this multi-tool. So I'm going to talk about the first one, which is the folding knife. So this is the credit card size folding knife. It's very compact and very convenient, good as a backup knife where you can put inside your wallet easily or inside your pants pocket or inside your tiny bag. So that's how I unfolded it to make it a knife. So the knife is quite sharp but not that sharp that it can cut smoothly. So let's test it. So there you go. So it can cut, but it's not that sharp like your dedicated EDC knife or the knife inside your multi-tool. So, so let's go to the next one, which is this credit card size multi-tool. It has a bottle opener, a ruler in centimeters and in inches, a screwdriver at this corner side of the multi-tool, a can opener, another screwdriver, wrenches, cell phone stand where you will insert a card to make it a cell phone stand, another screwdriver here at the another side of the corner, a box opener, letter opener, and a precision tool. So this one is another compact and you can easily put in your wallet. So which is also a great backup multi tool, especially uh, for emergencies where you forgot your main EDC multi tools. So very convenient. Another one is this another credit card size multi tool. So it's like I think it's clone of the Victorinox Swiss card. So just like a combination of the Swiss card classic and the Swiss card Lite. This one have a LED light color red. It's not that bright, but uh, it will be kind of helpful uh, in case of emergency that you don't have a source of light and you only have this multi-tool in your hands. It also have scissors, a blade. The blade is quite sharp as well. A magnifying glass, a set of screwdrivers, a toothpick, a tweezers, and oh, let's see. Yeah, I think that's it. It also have a ruler in centimeters. So this one is also a compact multi-tool, very convenient as well. But if you want something like this, what I suggest is to save up a little bit and buy the Victorinox Swiss card. I think the quality uh, will be very, very different compared to this one because all these multi tools cost me just like 50 pesos or just around $1. So it's kind of cheap. It's very cheap. I don't know how long will this last, but just an alternative that I'm planning to buy the Victorinox Swiss Card Classic to be my uh, credit card size multi-tool. And the rest of the credit card size multi-tools that I have is just like uh, the same of this multi-tool card. It has same function, same tools. I'll give you an example. This one, it has a bottle opener, can opener, screwdrivers on the corner sides of the card, wrenches, there's cell phone stand, box opener, precision screwdriver, letter opener. And that's it. Yeah, I just bought this because it's relative cheap, and to see which one I will going to like and which one will I add, uh, which multi-tool that I want to add in my EDC Gears setup. So all in all, I only like three, so that's why I only bring these three multi-cards, multi-tool, credit card size multi-tool. So the way I bring these multi-tools, I have this card holder. I don't put this on my wallet because my wallet is kind of small and it's already full of cards. And also I don't want to cause any damage to my cards. I don't put these tools in my main wallet. So this is how I bring this credit card size potatoes with me. So I have this card holder. I put this one, and I have another one card holder here. There you go. Then I just put this on the side pocket of my EDC bag so I can have a quick access on it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it and you found it helpful. Please hit the thumbs up. Please also share and subscribe to EDC Gears PH. Everyday carry, always ready. Good night.